one of the projects that we're working on is recreating the video game Rocket League, which is a video game where you play soccer with cars in real life with RC cars. Here you can see one of our RC cars going around in a circle. It's pretty cool. And here's our field setup, and those red blobs is where our cameras are. And so the computer will look through those cameras to see where the ball and the cars are. And up here, this is what it can see. So that red dot is where it sees that the ball is. And then in here, this is not quite done, and it is a little complicated what's going on. But you can see that that car is moving on the left, and it's pretty cool that it knows where it is. And then one of the interesting things that we're using to help make this is this simulator, which is kind of like a video game that we created, and it allows us to test different methods of guiding the car through to the ball without having to set up all of the cars and the whole field.
Next, I would like to introduce the Robot Arm project, where we're trying to build a smart robot arm that can play chess or Jenga with you. In this demo, the robot arm's goal is to be able to move and stack these boxes, similar how you do in a Jenga game. To do this, it uses something called inverse kinematics, which allows it to calculate what angles its joints should be so that its fingers line up with the center of the boxes. In this demo, the robot arm is trying to play a game of chess. It is able to know how far away the chess piece is using its two cameras, just like your two eyes, using something called stereo vision. And so it's able to pick and drop the chess piece. And lastly, I'd like to introduce the Lunabotics robot. The goal of the robot is to be able to drive over the rocky moon terrain and also be able to dig up some moon rock that can be put into a bin that can be sent back to Earth. This is NASA Perseverance, which is currently driving on Mars. This is the Lunabotics robot, and as you can see, it is driving over craters and bumps, and does this using the little ridges you can see on the wheels. And this allows it to grip the sand to be able to move the whole robot forward. Now, the robot is transforming into the digging mode, where it's able to excavate the sand and be able to sort out all of the gravel which is in the sand so we can send it back to Earth. Now here is demonstration of it actually digging. And once it digs, this is how it's able to dump all of the rocks while filtering out the sand. And that's all from Purdue Robotics. I hope you found this interesting. And if you did, we hope you try robotics in the future by joining your local school's robotics team, or even building your own robot using the internet.